Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Ceiling Fan Controller is probably one of the most convenient smart home upgrades you can make. Imagine effortlessly controlling your ceiling fan speed and lights from your smartphone, no matter where you are. This is exactly what a Wi-Fi ceiling fan controller offers, bringing modern convenience and energy efficiency to your fingertips. Join me as we dive into the features and benefits of this fantastic smart home gadget. Number 5. QIACHIP Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the QIACHIP Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This kit upgrades your existing ceiling fan with smart features, offering convenient control and enhanced functionality. This kit works with almost 95% of regular ceiling fans, including popular brands. It's designed for easy integration, expanding the capabilities of your current fan. Installation is a breeze with color-coded and marked wires. You'll have it set up quickly, with no confusing steps. Connect it to your smart home system via the Smart Life app. It's compatible with Alexa, allowing for voice control and smart home automation. Schedule your fan to prevent wasted energy. You can set timers for speed and time, enhancing energy efficiency and convenience. Please note that it supports 2.4G networks only. Also, it does not support DC motors or ceiling fans with 3-wire motors. The receiver size is 4.53 inches * 2.13 inches * 1.1 inches. What we like. This controller is incredibly easy to set up, with color-coded wires and seamless integration with smart home systems. It also offers a convenient timing function, allowing you to schedule your fan's operation. If you value convenience and smart home integration, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I installed 3 of them in 45 minutes and couldn't believe how easily they connected to Smart Life. They were immediately recognized by Alexa and respond to voice commands and smart home automations. The functionality is better than Hunter Simple Connect. This was a tremendous value and I'd highly recommend. Wiring was a breeze. Connecting to Alexa was a tad bit challenging, though the explanations to connect to Alexa was not all that clear. You will need to create 2 different tabs, one for the fan and one for the light, to work correctly with Alexa. Never even used the remote, but great to have as a backup. The value it added for me was huge. Being able to control the light and fan independently with Alexa made life super easy. Great product, just needed a bit more explaining on the Alexa connection side. Number 4. Smart Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan and Light Remote Control Kit. This smart fan controller easily adds Wi-Fi and remote control to your ceiling fan. You can change the fan speed or turn the light on or off from anywhere using your smartphone or the included remote. The receiver is designed to fit most ceiling fans, including popular brands. It allows you to control the light and fan speed with ease. Make sure there is enough space in your fan canopy for it. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use voice commands to control your fan hands-free. Enjoy the convenience of smart home integration. The installation is straightforward and can be done over your existing pull chain or wall switch. Remember to set your fan and light to the highest setting before use. You can share control with your family members. Also, you can set up schedules to automatically turn the fan and light on or off at specific times. What we like. This smart fan controller lets you control your fan and light from anywhere using your smartphone. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. If you want the ultimate in convenience and control, this device is a great option. What people say. This unit worked very well. Easy to install, beyond the typical pain of working with ceiling fans, and the functions work well from the remote. The hookup to Alexa was simple, and now I can control those 3 fans by voice. Number 3. Universal Smart Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Introducing the Universal Smart Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This kit allows you to easily control your ceiling fan and light with your voice or smartphone. It's a convenient and modern solution for your home. This remote is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can simply use your voice to turn the fan on or off, and adjust the fan speed. It integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home setup. Manage your fan from anywhere using the Smart Life app. The app provides real-time device status and allows you to control the fan's functions remotely. Make sure to connect to a 2.4G network for optimal performance. This kit is a direct replacement for many popular ceiling fan brands. It's designed to be a simple and effective upgrade for your existing fan. It is a small-size Wi-Fi kit. Enjoy silent operation with no buzzing noise. It allows you to control the fan and light separately, and offers 3 fan speeds. This provides you with complete control and comfort. What we like. This remote is designed for quiet operation, ensuring it won't disturb you. It also offers app support for easy control and is compatible with voice assistants. If you prioritize a silent experience and smart features, this is the one for you. What people say. This Wi-Fi remote control ceiling fan controller was simple to install and to pair with the Smart Life app. When the power restores, the fan resumes the mode it was in when the power went out. This is the same for the light and the fan speed. Installation was simple. There are 2 wires in, hot and neutral, and 3 out, 2 to the motor and 1 to the light. These wires are clearly marked. For a normal supply line, you would connect the black wire to the red wire on the fan remote input, and the white to the white. The green, or ground wire should be attached to the fan bracket and green wire on the fan, but if you're just adding this remote, that should already be in place. The overall size was not as long as the ones I was replacing, but it was slightly taller, which made fitting into the fan bracket tight, but I was still able to make it fit. Number 2. Smart Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This smart remote kit is designed to work with nearly all standard ceiling fans, including popular brands like Hampton Bay and Harbor Breeze. It's a versatile solution to upgrade your existing fan. Before installing, assess the space available within your fan's housing. Some slimline fans might have limited room. The wires are color-coded for easy identification. The remote offers dedicated buttons for fan speed control, high, medium, low, and off. It also includes timing settings for 1, 2, 4, and 8-hour intervals, along with a light on-off button. If your fan has pull chains, set the fan speed to maximum and turn the light on using the pull chains before using the remote. This ensures both controls work together seamlessly. When connecting to your Wi-Fi network, make sure to select the 2.4G network on your mobile app. Avoid using 5G or 5.8G networks to ensure a successful connection. This product comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, you can request a refund or exchange. There is an antenna inside the receiver's black box. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of ceiling fans and offers convenient timing settings. It also features easy installation with color-coded wires. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install solution, this is a great choice. What people say. As long as you can use wire nuts effectively, this is an easy install. It's synced immediately to my home Wi-Fi, 2.5 GHz, not 5 GHz, and connected to Google Home without issue. Hooking it up was simple as I just replaced the existing module I had with this one and it worked immediately. Number 1. Harbor Breeze Hampton Bay Ceiling Fan Remote Control. This remote control is a replacement for various Hunter, Westinghouse, Hampton Bay, and Harbor Breeze fan models. It's designed to seamlessly replace your old remote, ensuring your fan functions as intended. The remote is compatible with dimmable LED, CFL, and incandescent light bulbs. This feature allows you to adjust the brightness of your lights to create the perfect ambience. Other LED and CFL lamps can only be controlled by on and off. Easily control your fan's speed with high, medium, and low settings. Please note that this receiver does not have a reverse function. The light dimmer button only controls the brightness of incandescent lights. If your light is LED, it only controls the LEDs on-off. To set up the remote, match the dip switch pattern inside the old remote to the new one. Ensure the fan has a receiver with the same dip switches. Replace the battery, and you should be good to go. If you have multiple fans, set different pin codes for each. If your fan has pull chains, set the fan speed to maximum and turn the light on using the pull chains before using the remote. This ensures both the pull chains and the remote work together effectively. It replaces Hampton Bay and Harbor Breeze Fan 53T, Fan 35T, L3HFA and 35T, L3HFAN 35T1, Fan, HD5, Fan, 11T, QIACHIP 9103. What we like. This remote is compatible with dimmable bulbs, allowing you to adjust the lighting to your preference. It's also a direct replacement for several popular fan models. If you're looking for a simple replacement with dimming capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. The buttons actually have better feel, require less force, have more tactile feel and work first time. Great item, durable, fast shipping and I love everything, works better than expected. Replaced old failed unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.